Let's start with something most people don't talk about. Telegram does officially support multiple accounts on the same device. On mobile and desktop, you can add up to 3 accounts using different phone numbers and switch between them with a tap. But here's the catch. You can add 3 accounts, but you can't truly run several of them in parallel on a desktop without constantly switching between them. So, if Telegram is part of your daily workflow, if you manage channels, multiple clients, communities, or simply do outreach and ads, that native limit starts feeling tight very quickly. What if you actually want to see several Telegram accounts open side by side? What if you need live chats, active sessions, and real-time notifications across all of them? That's what we're going to solve today. Later in the video, I'll also share a bonus code you can use for my setup, and it might change not only your Telegram workflow, but how you manage multiple social accounts on any website overall. But first, let's understand why this limitation exists in the first place. On paper, Telegram seems generous, up to 3 accounts on one device. But in real-work scenarios, that flexibility runs out quickly. Here's what happens in practice. You can add several accounts, but you can't see and manage them side by side without switching. Notifications become fragmented. Only the active accounts delivers live notifications. The rest fall silent until you switch back. And if you're managing support threads or moderating communities, switching accounts every few minutes isn't just inconvenient, it breaks focus. As a result, your workflows get interrupted multiple times a day. Some people try opening Telegram web in different browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, hoping to separate accounts. Spoiler, it rarely works as expected. You'll either get logged out, or Telegram will treat each session as the same device playing dress up. Basically, the limitations are technical, and they come from how Telegram links session data to the device and browser environment. If you want more than just a switch and wait experience, you need something else. Whenever you open a Telegram account, whether through the desktop app or a browser, it connects not only to your phone number, but also to your device identity, browser storage, and session data, your IP address. If multiple accounts consistently operate from the same device environment, Telegram recognizes that context. So, opening multiple accounts inside the same browser doesn't truly create separation. Incognito mode can't hide it, proxy can't hide it, a VPN doesn't solve it. Multiple Chrome profiles still share your system signals. Like repainting the same car and expecting it to get a new license plate. Instead of trying to disguise accounts from each other, the smarter approach is to give each account its own isolated environment. Not just a tab, not just another browser, a separate device in a digital form. Now, let me show you exactly how it works. Different approaches have been tested over time, including emulators, secondary desktop environments, and even cloud device solutions. Things like cloud computers. These are functional in some cases, but they are often impossible to actually work with daily, and they're difficult to scale cleanly. The method that consistently provides structured separation is using a logging. It's an anti-detect browser that creates fully independent browser profiles, each behaving like a separate physical machine to platforms such as Telegram or any other social platform. The bonus here is that Go-logging browser windows are really easy to set up and work with daily. Let's move to the screen and I will walk you through the setup step by step. First, go to the official website gologin.com. Create your account and download the app. After installation, you'll see a dashboard like this. Each line on the left represents a completely separate device environment. Think of it as giving each Telegram account its own dedicated laptop without physically buying one. Step 1. Create a new profile. Click plus in the top left to create a new profile. Name it something like Telegram 1, Telegram Clients, or Telegram Support. It's just very convenient. This automatically generates a separate browser storage, independent cookies, a unique device fingerprint. No overlap with other profiles. Notice the app has a lot of advanced settings. Best advice here is not to try to adjust them manually, as Gologin sets up all settings automatically. Step 2. Connect a proxy. In the location column, click plus to add an IP address. Select the country that matches the region you want this Telegram account associated with. Then click connect. This account will operate from that location. Imagine you now have a remote laptop in that country. This adds clean network separation between accounts and prevents everything from appearing to originate from the same IP. Step 3. Open Telegram web. Click Run. A new isolated browser window opens. That's your digital device. From here, open the web version of Telegram and Log in using the phone number assigned to that account. Once logged in, the session is stored inside this profile. When you close and reopen it later, the session remains active. No repeated logins, no unexpected session resets, no sudden login again prompts while you are in the middle of work. Step 4. Run another Telegram account. Repeat the process. Create another profile. Assign a proxy. Launch it. Now you can run multiple Telegram accounts simultaneously, side by side. From Telegram's perspective, these sessions are coming from separate devices in separate locations. And that's exactly the structure we want. Step 5. Share with a teammate. If you work with a virtual assistant, support manager, or remote team member, there is no need to exchange login codes or temporary access. Open the profile menu and click Share. Enter their email address. They can open that same isolated profile on their own computer with a Telegram session already active. For Telegram, it's still one consistent device environment. This is how professional teams collaborate on communication accounts today, cleanly and securely. So that's the setup. No hacks, no modified apps, no virtual machine emulators, no hacked dashboards. Just structured separation that allows multiple Telegram accounts to operate in parallel. Let me quickly cover a few questions that always pop up. First, can I be using separate phone numbers? No. Telegram requires a unique phone number for each account. You can't register two accounts with the same number. Second, does this replace Telegram's native multi-account feature? No, Telegram allows up to 3 accounts natively. This setup doesn't change that limit, it simply allows you to run multiple sessions simultaneously without switching. All of them work side by side and you always receive notifications. No need to constantly switch between different accounts. And third, is this safe? Yes, you're not modifying Telegram or bypassing platform rules. You are separating environments so accounts don't interfere with each other. Managing multiple Telegram accounts should feel structured and predictable, not improvised. If you want to try the exact login setup shown today, use the code on screen for 50% off your first purchase. There is also a 7-day free trial, so you can test everything without commitment and activate the discount whenever you are ready. If this video helped you rethink how you structure your accounts, that alone makes it worth it. So hit a like and tell me if you have any other questions. More videos on other platforms and topics coming soon, so subscribe to support this channel and see you in the next one.